Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price finally pushed above the descending trend line, moving from its lows of 114,800 to nearly 150,117,000, a rise of about 1.9%. This move arrived exactly at the level we outlined yesterday, setting the stage as we head into the FOMC meeting later today. The next key target sits near 118,600, and from there 120,000 is within reach. Gold also touched 3,700 for the first time, adding momentum to risk assets with its role as a hedge. Looking at the heat maps, the most concentrated levels are now being challenged. On the 3-day chart, the key area was 117,100. On the 1-week view, levels at 117,100 and 117,600 stand out, though the most notable level was at 117,000, which has already been tested. ETF inflow data shows renewed strength. On Monday the 15th, large players added $259.9 million, with IBIT leading at $261.8 million. Over the past 24 hours, inflows totaled $83.1 million, though IBIT numbers were not yet included. That means the overall figure could likely be above $100 million once updates arrive. Meanwhile, Ethereum developments are worth noting. The exit queue for staking withdrawals has spiked, with 2.6 million ETH scheduled to unlock after the 45-day waiting period. This could create added market supply once those tokens become available, so it is a factor worth monitoring closely. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. If you found value in this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.